Welcome to Streamsetuphub, your destination for free streaming solutions. Are you an anime enthusiast looking to stream your favorite shows for free on your Firestick in 2025? In this video, I will guide you through setting up an anime streaming app using the powerful UnLinked technique. If you enjoy free TV shows or live TV, check out my other videos on the channel for those setups. You can find the UNLIN Code and a recommended VPN deal in the description to ensure secure streaming. Follow these 6 clear steps and monitor the on-screen progress bar to track your progress. Let us begin. Chapter 1. Enable developer options. First, we will unlock hidden settings to enable app installations. From your Firestick home screen, navigate to Settings, select My Fire TV, and then choose About. Select your device name and press the center button on your remote 7 times to activate developer mode. A message will appear at the bottom of the screen, confirming that you are now a developer. This process is safe, does not void your warranty, and enables advanced customization options. Return to the home screen when complete. Chapter 2. Install the Downloader application. Next, we will install the Downloader application, a free tool for accessing apps outside the Amazon App Store. From the home screen, select the magnifying glass icon to open the search function. Type Downloader using the on-screen keyboard. When the orange Downloader application with a white arrow appears, select it and choose Download. Allow the application to install, but do not open it yet, as we need to configure one additional setting. Please check the pinned comment in the description for a VPN deal to protect your anime streaming. Chapter 3. Allow apps from unknown sources. To install third-party applications, we must adjust a setting. Return to Settings, select My Fire TV, and open Developer Options, which is now visible. Select Apps from Unknown Sources, locate the Downloader application, and enable it. Additionally, activate ADB debugging to ensure smooth, error-free installations. These settings allow you to safely install apps of your choosing without compromising your device. Secure your connection with a VPN. Before installing apps, we must protect your streaming activity. Internet service providers may monitor your traffic, throttle your speed, or restrict access based on your region. I recommend IPVanish for its robust encryption, high-speed performance, and compatibility with streaming devices. Search for IPVanish in the Firestick App Store, select it, and choose Download. For convenience, set up your account on a phone or laptop first, then log in on your Firestick. Use the link in the description to access a limited-time discount of up to 83%. Please note, I may earn a commission if you purchase through this link at no additional cost to you, which supports the channel. This step ensures your anime streaming remains private and unrestricted. Chapter 4. Install the UnLinked application. Now let us install UnLinked, a hub for curated streaming apps, including anime content. Open the Downloader application from the Apps section on your home screen. Select Allow to grant storage permissions. Swipe up and double-press the center button to access the URL field. Enter the UnLinked code, which is 5288277, displayed on screen for your reference. An alternate code is provided in the description if needed. Verify the code is correct and then select Enter. Allow the site to load, and when the download completes, select Install. After installation, choose Done, and then delete the APK file by selecting Delete twice to free up storage space. Chapter 5. Configure UnLinked and find anime apps. Your UnLinked application is installed and ready for configuration. Return to Settings, select My Fire TV, open Developer Options, choose Apps from Unknown Sources, locate UnLinked, and enable it. This allows UnLinked to install apps from its library. Navigate to Apps on the home screen, locate UnLinked, and open it. If it appears empty, this is normal, as we have not yet added a library. Select Add New Library and enter the code provided on screen. Pause if you need to verify the code. Select Enter and the library will load, granting access to a curated collection of tested, user-friendly apps. You will find a variety of anime streaming apps within the library. Begin with the Best Apps section, which offers stable and reliable options for anime content. Choose an anime app, select Download, and install it as before. That completes the setup. Your Fire Stick is now optimized for free anime streaming with UnLinked, all secured with a VPN. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Streamsetuphub for more tutorials. I will be sharing new codes, app recommendations, and advanced tweaks weekly, so stay tuned. Pin the VPN link in the comments for easy access and share this video with someone who loves anime or free streaming. All links and codes are in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more streaming solutions soon.